If you're thinking about setting up a home grow, you're looking at a smart investment that will save you thousands of dollars over the years and secure a consistent supply of lab-grade cannabis for yourself, regardless of current economic conditions. Hello folks, CC Jack, Cannabis Connoisseur. So why would you spend $1,000 on hardware only to gamble the entire project on guesswork, internet rumors, or incomplete science? Between a quality tent, powerful LED lights, ventilation, intake fans, and basic supplies, you're easily dropping $1,000 or more before you ever pop a seed. People ask me all the time, Jack, why should I pay $99 for your course? My answer is simple. That $99 is not an extra cost. It's cheap insurance for your $1,000 plus investment, and it comes risk-free. I've been teaching people how to grow lab-grade plants for 25 years, and nobody, and I mean nobody, has ever not been satisfied with the results of our scientific system. You have my personal satisfaction guarantee or your money back. No questions asked. At QPG, we take the risk that you will be amazed and satisfied. Having great gear is only half the battle. If your light is 3 inches too close, you bleach your top canopy. Too much heat at the wrong time creates fluffy buds. There's a lot to know and a lot to get right. When you join Quantum Pot Grow, we guide you step by step through setting up your environment right the first time. We make sure your airflow, your CO2 levels, and your light height are dialed in precisely for every phase of growth. We schedule the exact temperature and humidity levels week by week. Nothing is left to chance. We also show you how to maintain your setup with the standards of scientific clean room protocols. Why? Because a pristine environment prevents mold, powdery mildew, and pest infestations from wiping out hundreds of dollars in electricity, effort, and a very much anticipated crop. Battle tested a specialized plant structure and nutrition formula designed to specifically push dense, resin-drenched buds in big colas. This plant is at day 42 of flowering, and she will pack on a lot of weight and resin in her final 2 weeks. If something does go wrong, you aren't searching random internet forums for bad advice. You have direct access to our plant clinic. If you ever see anything other than a green, healthy leaf, take a picture and upload it to our plant clinic. We can identify the problem and offer real-time solutions before it threatens your yield. Our plant clinic is a true crop saver. Finally, we walk you through the most critical phase that many beginning growers and nearly all commercial operations ruin: the harvest, dry, and cure. We protect those delicate terpenes so your final flower retains delicious flavor, exquisite aroma, and a connoisseur-grade quality. When you get right down to it, saving thousands of dollars on dispensary prices a year and securing a lifetime supply of top-shelf quality buds starts with getting this first cycle right. If you have already made the decision to invest $1,000 or more in equipment, make the smart decision to guarantee your results. Stop by quantumpotgrow.com today and claim your free Getting Started Blueprint to see what it takes to become truly cannabis secure. And as always, if you found value here, please like and subscribe, but always smash the alert bell if you're running low on daily interruptions. Thanks for your time.